Vision, a high-performing science and technology institute committed to produce optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals who would be contributors to a strong and happy nation. Mission, to develop an optimistic, versatile, and productive individuals proficient in generating better ways of living towards peaceful and environment-friendly society. Core values, ingenuity, nationalism, self-reliance, productivity, integrity, reliability, excellence, and dynamism. Institutional outcome, quality and excellence in producing innovative and happy individuals.
BIST, a dreams becomes reality with fervor and sincerity. To you we pledge our loyalty for us and for our nation. You desire the best education. You are an institution worthy of our salvation. For all the blessings He grants, to our God we give our thanks. We live into His hand, our future and our plan. Oh Lord, bless our funders, students, parents, and teachers. Bless all our endeavors as we go on to our morrows. Go now, BIST, go forth and make history. All becomes reality. BIST, give God the glory.